we weren't able to sleep much, so we are packing everything up now and we're just gonna go super early, so. We just got gas and we have 2 hours left until we're at our destination, so let's do it because I'm tired.
So we got some peaches for $6 and they look a lot better than the ones that we got from where we're from.
No, seriously.
We're going for a walk right now.
Come on. You think you could outrun me? Speed it up though, you know, like I'm Edward, but like, you know, make it faster. Oh. We weren't expecting it to rain, so we are doing a little picnic in this little shaded area at the park. It's still raining, so we're just gonna drive out to the cabin now. It's the next day and we are going to a different park so we can go in the waterfall. so excited, so let's go.
We are in a literal cave right now.
I'm actually a little scared, I'm not gonna lie. I'm like shaking right now, like actually shaking. Oh, there's already a light in here.
This has reminded me of Canada weather.
This is so scary. We did it. That was so scary. There's duckies. Oh, he's just the cutest. He's coming over to you. Oh, never mind. He's like, no way, man. I go on my own terms, man. Why is he walking away like that? He's like, you kind of are useless to me unless you guys feed me, so. Hello, little one. Oh, goodness. You got the itchies.
They expected some food, but they're not gonna get any.
Wow, July 2025.
Guys, you want to hear my sob story?
This is going out. Let's leave it out. Yourself. It's not that cold, guys. She's dramatizing it.
It's my birthday and we're going out to dinner for pizza. I'm wearing a butterfly necklace, 2 butterfly bracelets, and heart earrings. We're in the small town vibes. We have to wait 45 minutes for our dinner. The cutest little library. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Wow, that's amazing. There's this little snake in the middle of the
That is
road.
not little. That's like a meter long.
All right. Well, you know, he's hurting. He's saying goodbye to us.
Goodbye, Jesus. Yes, I know that.
Okay, let's do this, you guys.
Oh,
Woo! This is what we're doing today.